let's follow this dude. I hope no cops want to pull me over and take advantage of me.
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
Yeah, that happened.
It's the weekend, baby.
What's up, everybody? I'm on my way home right now. I have nothing planned for this video, but I hit record anyway. Hashtag professional. 388. Man, that's really sad that gas being 388 is a good thing right now. That's the lowest I've seen it in a while, which is, again, really sad. Oh no. Almost didn't make that light. I sawed it. Nope. Alright, cool. It's whatever, bro. Not cool, dude. Look at the camels. They got humps on their back. The camels, bro. They walking around with humps on them like it ain't no thing. And it's not even hump day, bro. It's Friday. It's the freaking weekend, baby. That car sounded funny. Oh, my nose itches. Oh gosh. Alright, let's not wreck the bike to scratch the nose. It is crispy outside. It's like low 90s. It's definitely been worse recently, so I'll take 90 over the 100. Where I just walk outside and I feel my flesh melting. You know, that kind of heat. It's not that fun. There was a crackhead up here at the corner. I saved it on my dash cam. I haven't taken it off to look at it yet. I hope it's saved from my car. I was pulling up right here to the stop sign and this crackhead, clearly on something, was walking around right here. And he saw my car and like tried to get my attention. He was like waving at me and was like, looking nice, looking real nice, or something like that. It was pretty funny. The bad part about the clip is that he was like beside me when I had my window rolled down during it, so you can't see him as he's yelling, but he's doing all these crazy weird hand motions with it. It's pretty funny. Thank you. Good. Thank you, man. Real good. Which road should I take to go home today? My main road home is blocked right now due to construction. That's why in the videos I posted recently, you've seen me going around barricades. But I still have to go the long way because the main road is legitimately blocked off by a bunch of rocks and heavy machinery, and so there's no road there anymore. I honestly don't even know what they're doing, but whatever.
Oh no, traffic.
Well, I'll just throw it into neutral and that's it. Yep, that's it. Put it in my magical 0 gear and then sit here and rock back and forth. Please don't hit me. If I put the kickstand down and just like chill for a minute. Oh, nope. Never mind. Light's green. Sawed it. Boy, it's windy. So windy. Sawed it. I just cleaned my visor and now I got bugs on it again. So gross. So gross. 2A Pat. Boss lady. 2A Pat. I'm gonna guess Second Amendment Patriot. I don't know, I could be way off base here. It's just my guess. Maybe their name is Pat spelled with 2 A's, but P-A-A-T was taken, so 2A Pat. Yeah, that's not it. Oh yeah, I see the American flag license plate frame. It's definitely Second Amendment Patriot. Pat with 2 A's. I named my kid Pat with 2 A's because we don't compromise on our gun rights. None of this makes any sense. This whole video was entirely pointless. 35. I'm going 60. It's fine. It's whatever.
I hope no cops want to pull me over and take advantage of me.
Alright, that's all. Why was that so loud? Ow, that hurt my own ears. Ow. Let's try that again. Alright, everybody. That's still too loud. Alright, everybody. There we go. Alright, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. Did I say guys too many times? I don't know, guys. That's all I got, guys. I'm sorry, guys.
2A Patriot, let's follow this dude.
Anyway, I will catch you all next time. Always remember, 1 bird in the stone is worth 2 killed by it in the hand. Yep, that's it. Goodbye. Meow.